Guys, good morning. Itong araw ng pagtatrabaho. Samahan niyo ko guys. Ako ay maghuhugas. May water station po kami. Itong araw na naman. Yan. Trabaho muna tayo ngayon. Tara, samahan niyo ako guys. Ako ay maghuhugas ng mga container. Ito po yung aming ang water station refilling. Tara guys, samahan nyo ako maghugas. Simple lang maghugas guys. Kailangan malinis yung container. Linisin na siya mabuti. Tapos kukuskusan siya. Para hindi magreklamo yung customer, kailangan malinis mabuti yung container.
Okay, I'll make some shears. Yeah, okay, there's a forest right here. Let's go get all the leaves from here, and then, yeah, and maybe some of the wood as well. We also do need, like, some blocks that can't burn, though. So, like, we need to get some stone eventually, but that's fine. Okay. worry about that in a bit. Oh, watch out. The goat could be here. The goat could be here. Okay. Oh, he's there. Yeah, they were on it. Yeah.
Saan ko yan guys, kailangan malinis lagi yung sahig. Kailangan mag-map na mabuti para pag dumating yung customer, ay mag-refill. Malinis man lang yung shop namin.
Oh, really? Wait, that is nice. Yeah. But the thing is, if we go out there render, they probably just despawn anyway, so then they have another chance to respawn. Shipwreck! Wait, really?
Yeah. Let's get more iron. We're actually moving up.
We're not living up. This is good. Oh, Death Strider. Oh my god.
Yo, nice.
I got 13 poisonous potatoes.
Okay, you have another very good map. Is this the same one as you have?
Sick.
Tapos kailangan maglinis para pag dumating ang mga customer, malinis yung shop namin. Nalagyan na ng water. Yan yung mister ko. Sila yung taga-deliver ng aking anak. Tulong-tulong kami dito guys, magpamilya sa aming hanap buhay. Yan na yung mga nalagyan na. Kailangan lagyan mo na ng sel. Ang tawag din guys, silyo. Yan na siya. Yung anak ko po yung taga-silyo dyan guys. Yung mister ko naman, sila yung taga-deliver. Mag-ama. Yan siya guys. Yan yung aming hanap buhay.
I don't think this guy knows how to stop shooting.
Mag-map na lang. Mag-map agad kasi kailangan malinis lagi yung sahig. Simpleng buhay. Nakakapagod pero laban lang sa buhay guys. Lahat naman tayo. Sugal lang ang buhay natin. Kailangan kumayod para gumanda ang buhay. Walang ala sa ating mga anak.